So this video is about a how-to of Colorin Colorado. So Colorin Colorado is a free online resource for ESL strategies. It has so many videos and lesson plans and activity guides, resources for teachers, parents, and administrators. I chose Colorin Colorado as one of my online resources to share with you all because my school is 93% Hispanic. So as you can imagine, a lot of ESL students, and we are constantly in need of more and more ELL strategies and just how we are going to reach all of those students to get them proficient in reading and writing. So 2 ICE standards, both educational leader standards. One says, ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. And then support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning, cultural, and social emotional needs of individual students. So in addition to being a math teacher here at my school, I am also the resource teacher and learning strategies coordinator. So part of my job is getting teachers the technology and support they need to support their students. My purpose or goal of this website is to ensure students can reach a proficient level of reading and writing comprehension and help out my fellow teachers with ESL strategies. So when you go on to Colorin Colorado, this is what the website will look like. It has a lot of different links. As you can see, here is the classroom videos. So a lot of videos of their resources being put into play in an actual real life classroom with actual real life ESL and ELL students. And then they have just all of these links. So school support, these are more for administrators, librarians, school paraprofessionals. Then there's, of course, the whole list for teachers. And then they have for families, what it looks like for your parents and how your parents can help you out with the ELL at home. So they also have a lot of resources and books for educators. So they have toolkits, videos for your students, and just books and reports. So yeah, that's Colorin Colorado. It is just a great ELL website and resource.